An API is a method through which SaaS application communicates with other applications and through which most of the SaaS applications get the data needed. For e-commerce software vendors, it means connecting APIs of various e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. When two APIs are connected, the potential to enhance productivity, minimize operational processes and centralize various e-commerce processes can be realized. Users can communicate with the applications through the UI, while other applications can communicate with the underlying application through the API. The basic information regarding orders, customers, products and shipments cannot be obtained without being connected to the shopping cart applications. In order to access and manipulate online store data, software providers must integrate their solutions with shopping cart APIs where the information is resident. The more connections to APIs vendor providers establish, the more opportunities to expand their market share. Integration is the best way of ensuring that there is a constant flow of data between two different systems. API2Cart is a unified shopping cart integration API which allows to integrate your software with 40+ platforms and marketplaces simultaneously. API2Cart offers over 100 API methods to manage store data, such as orders, products, customers, shipments, and categories. API2Cart enables your software to reduce the TCO, minimize the time and money required, and reduce the time and resources to support integration. Contact us today and explore how to connect two APIs together via API2Cart.